look at people and think, what's going on inside of their head? Yeah, me too. It is sure windy outside. Me too. Anyways, hopefully you guys can hear me. I've got a new mic set up, so now that I can talk and be annoying like everyone else who does motor vlogs. Not that they're annoying, I'm just kidding. I actually love watching other people's moto vlogs. especially when I can't get out and ride. But today is Saturday, and I have a free day to myself. You wonder why I look both ways when that light was already green. People run these lights all the time and they don't pay any attention. Also, in some of my other videos, I have not mentioned what I'm riding. I know you can see it on one of the thumbnails. It's not shifting. It's a 2015 Yamaha Bolt. That I bought brand new in 2018 with 0 miles. It was a holdover that got transferred from a store in another state to South Carolina at Redline Power Sports. I thought I was getting a good deal on it. They didn't have any 2018 models there at the time, and the price seemed to be pretty good on it. Anyway, it's about the bike. So I have let's see, 5,467 miles currently. So that's not too bad. I've not put as many miles as I'd like to on it, but hopefully soon I will be able to. So different things I have done to the bike. I have forward controls that I custom built. Well, the extensions anyways, the extensions I custom built. And I have a Dynojet Power Commander 5. And then I have a 2-in-1 exhaust setup. Alright, we're back outside the store riding. So that's not right. Alright guys, we're back on the bike. Headed back home. Had a nice long conversation with the older gentleman about the bike when I got to the store. It's always nice getting compliments, regardless of what you're riding. see. It's not going to turn on. Anyways, I have it hooked up with the splitter that allows me to use 2 microphones. Got that from a few different YouTubers that also use the same method. I was always wondering how they actually did that, and finally I found out on whose video was it? It was either I want to say it was one of Blockhead's videos, but I'm not entirely sure. It was either Blockhead Chase on 2 Wheels or someone else. But anyways, it works pretty good. I think anyways. I tested it the other day to see if it was picking up sound from both microphones, and it was. So we'll see how it actually sounds inside the helmet while I'm riding. Hopefully it sounds decent. Obviously I don't have anything coming into my ear right now with sound, so you're not going to hear that one. Just the microphone I'm speaking on. This is the Xbox headset microphone. It's actually pretty cool. I thought it was going to be kind of like this plastic sort of coated wire thing, but it's not. It's like a metal conduit. There's a thin metal conduit sort of piece that you can bend around into different shapes, and it hooks up pretty easily actually. Sounds with the original foam microphone cover on it, but if it doesn't sound good, I'll probably end up getting those dead cat microphone covers put on it. Maybe picking up a bunch of wind. And it probably is. In this helmet, there's a lot of wind noise, I'm not gonna lie. It's a HJC IS Max 2, IS2 Max, I think it's IS Max 2. It's the modular helmet from HJC. It's a pretty good helmet. It's a little bit on the heavy side, especially with the GoPro and a mic adapter and 2 microphones and a Bluetooth headset. It gets a little heavier. Not half bad with me on it. Pretty big guy. As you can probably see, I have border extensions